There are numerous ways to earn money online, and the best method for you will depend on your skills, interests, and the amount of time you can dedicate. Here are some popular ways to earn money online. Freelancing. If you have skills in areas like writing, graphic design, programming, or digital marketing, you can offer your services on freelancing platforms such as Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr. Clients post projects, and you can bid on them or create gigs to attract potential customers. Online tutoring. If you excel in a particular subject or have teaching experience, you can become an online tutor. Websites like tutor.com, Chegg, or VIPKid connect students with tutors. You can teach languages, academic subjects, music, or even offer professional coaching. Selling products or services. You can start an online business by selling products or services. You can create your own e-commerce store using platforms like Shopify or sell through established marketplaces like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy. If you have unique skills, consider offering services like consulting, coaching, or freelancing in your specialized field. Affiliate marketing. With affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for every sale or lead generated through your referral. You can join affiliate programs offered by companies like Amazon, ClickBank, or Commission Junction and promote their products through websites, blogs, or social media. Online surveys and microtasks. Websites like Swagbucks, Amazon Mechanical Turk, or Clickworker offer opportunities to earn money by completing online surveys, watching videos, or performing small tasks. While the payouts may not be substantial, they can be an easy way to earn some extra income. Content creation. If you enjoy creating content, you can monetize it through platforms like YouTube, ad revenue, blogging, displaying ads or sponsored content, or podcasting, sponsorships or donations. Building an audience takes time, but it can be a rewarding long-term endeavor. Online investing and trading. If you have knowledge and experience in finance and the stock market, you can try your hand at online investing or trading. Be aware that this method carries risks, and it's essential to educate yourself and start with caution. Remember, earning money online often requires time, effort,